Stars 4-H Club, and this is my third time doing an oral presentation. Tonight I'm going to be talking to you about floriculture in Floriculture 101. I'm going to show you the different aspects of a floral arrangement and where flowers should be placed in an arrangement. So first of all, there are many different types of floral arrangements. There are simple arrangements composed of just one flower, like these yellow calla lilies in this vase. It's very simple and has that modern look. There are also complex arrangements with many different flowers in them. This picture shows a very large, complex floral arrangements with gladiolas, pomps, lilies, and many other types of flowers. These floral arrangements tend to be much more fuller than the simple arrangements just because they have more flowers in them. Now, flower arrangements can be used for many different occasions to say many different things, like saying happy birthday on somebody's birthday, happy anniversary, congratulations on a new baby, get well soon, congrats grad, thank you so much, sorry for your loss, and just because. Each of these occasions deserves a floral arrangement. By sending someone flowers, it just shows that somebody's thinking about them and that they are a very special person. Now, if you're going to make your own floral arrangement, you're going to need some materials. So you will need a vase, water, flower food, a grid, scissors, and of course, flowers. The vase and the grid help to keep the flower arrangement together. The water and flower food help to keep the flowers hydrated and healthy so that they will last longer. The scissors are used to cut the stems of the flowers. Now, whenever you cut the stems of the flowers, you always want to cut it at an angle so that the flowers are more easily able to absorb the water. If you cut it straight and it hits the bottom of the vase, then it won't be able to absorb the water and therefore it'll die, which would not be good. And then you would also need flowers because that's what the arrangement is all about. It adds the color to the arrangement. Now, flowers are categorized into three main groups. They are focal flowers, line flowers, and accent flowers. When each of these are put into an arrangement, they make the arrangement more appealing to the eye. So I'm going to talk about these in a little bit more detail. First is the focal flower. The focal flower is a single stem complex flower. It calls attention to the viewer because it is the largest flower in the arrangement. It is placed towards the center of the arrangement and it adds stability to the arrangement. Some examples of the focal flower are the lily, the gerbera daisy, and the iris. Line flowers they stand tall in the arrangement because they're the tallest flower in the arrangement. They have many blooms close to the stem. They're used both horizontally and vertically. And the line flowers establishes the shape and the direction of the arrangement. The examples of line flowers include the blue delphinium, blazing star, and bells of Ireland. And finally is the accent flowers. The accent flowers are clusters of flowers on a single stem. They're used to fill in spaces between the line and the focal flowers. And because of this, they are sometimes called filler flowers. The examples shown here are baby's breath, solidago, and waxflower. And whenever you put these three categories of flowers together, you get a beautiful arrangement. So let's recap on what you have learned. The lilies and the gerbera daisies are the focal flowers because they are the largest flowers in the arrangement. The snapdragons are the tallest flowers in the arrangement and add stability, so they are the line flowers. And then the blue perum that is filled in between them are the accent flowers. So by knowing these different techniques, one is able to make their own arrangements for that special occasion.